Hi, I'm Renee. I'm the Director of Housing, and welcome to Housing. I work with the housing staff here, full-time staff and student staff, to connect you to campus, connect you to each other, and support your learning and growth here at Stan State. I look forward to this year with you in on-campus housing, and go Warriors!
What's good, everybody? My name is Terrence Jones, and I am one of the residential education coordinators here at Stan State Housing. I oversee Village 1 and Village 2, which houses a lot of our first year students. I also supervise half of our resident assistant teams who are also students as well. As a residential education coordinator, as well as resident assistants, I like to call us built in friends. What I mean by that is we are here to help build community. We are here to try to help all of the students have the best experience that they can have. We have navigated college before, whether that's been a year, whether that's been 2 years, whether that's been us already graduating college. We have had that experience. So we are here to give back, to provide the resources, to provide the education, to provide a safe environment so that everybody can thrive and everybody can be successful, whatever that looks like for them.
Hi, my name is Danielle. I'm the student account specialist here in housing. Everyone calls me Danny, and you can too. My role here in housing is to help our residents with their financial literacy. And that looks like you coming to me with questions about your meal plan, your financial aid, housing charges, payment plans. You can contact me by phone by calling the front desk. They'll transfer you to my line. Or you can email me at drankin1@csustan.edu or make an appointment with me through Warrior Connect.
Hi, my name's Adan. I am the lead custodian here at Housing. At Housing, we have a recycling program. In the recycling cage, we recycle cans, plastic, and glass. No boxes, though. Feel free to just throw them into the little cage. Here in Housing, we also have 3 pairs of dumpsters located across Housing. One is outside of the housing office. Second one is in the Village 1 circle. And then the third and last one are on the side of the Village Cafe. Feel free to throw away your room trash here and any other stuff you want to throw away.
Hi everyone, my name is Stacy Contreras. I'm the administrative support assistant here in housing. My main role in housing is to support the front desk. You may hear from me whenever you have questions about your application, your petition to cancel process, or any other general questions that you may have. I help support and back up the front desk. Your front office assistants will be able to provide you with any resources such as wheelbarrows, dollies, vacuums, brooms, and mops. You just have to bring in your Wear ID card and check them out here at the front desk. For mail packages, our awesome team at shipping and receiving in the mail delivery room will go ahead and process those items first, and then so there might be a delay in receiving your package. Once they process them, they bring them here into the housing office, and then you can come and pick them up. You can access your mail letters by accessing the mailboxes behind our office. If you need directions, if you have questions about your finances or any questions about your room or your booking or your application, feel free to come on in and we'll be able to help you out.
Hi, my name is Sam Costa, and I'm one of the 2 maintenance mechanics located here in housing. And as a maintenance mechanic, I'm in charge of the maintenance, repair, and upkeep of all the units and buildings here in housing. Throughout the semester, if there's anything that you need repaired in your unit, feel free to put in a work order or call the front office and let them know. We are on site Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 4 to assist with those needs. Welcome back and have a good semester.
My name's Ariana. I'm the Residential Education Program Coordinator for Housing. So my primary role here in housing is to plan and coordinate activities. So make sure you check that your mailbox for monthly calendars so that you're up to date with everything that's going on specifically in housing, or you can go to Warrior Life. You can sign in with your Stan State credentials and you can find out more about what's happening on campus or in housing in general.
My name is Angie, and I'm the Residential Education Coordinator for Academic Success, and I help students by providing general education advising. So I supervise the peer academic coaches, or the PACs, PACs are student leaders who answer your day-to-day academic questions, and so they can help you find or help you utilize campus resources, and they also provide coaching on topics like time management. I also supervise our student success interns. Those are graduate level interns who are a great resource. They're great people that you can talk to, whether it be about your academic concerns or just how to navigate adjusting to campus life. You can find me and the PACs in the Academic Support Hub, and then you can find the student success interns both in the Academic Support Hub and the Residential Life Hub. That's Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m.
Hey Warriors, my name is Neha. I am one of the residential education coordinators, and I'm in charge of Village 3. So I help all of our residents, whether you are a transfer or you are an upper division student who's living in Village 3, throughout any of your concerns or issues while living with us, or if you're having a hard time adapting, I'm here to help and support you during our journey here with us. Some of my roles here in housing include helping and supporting all of our residents with the emotional support animal process. We work very closely with Disability Resource Services with the accommodations of having an animal living with you in housing. So if you guys have any questions about how to start that process or you're currently working on it, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, as I'm happy to reach out, communicate, and give you all the proper tools and resources you need to get your animal approved. Another thing too is we help and support with any sort of situations that happen in housing. I serve as on-call, so if there's any medical emergencies, there's any conflicts that do arise, we do have professional staff like myself here to help and support all of our students at any time and any hour of the day. I'm located in the Residential Life Hub, and this is a space that's made for you guys as a little hangout spot, but also as a resource if you do need to talk to an RA, an intern, or a residential education coordinator. You guys are more than welcome to come in, schedule an appointment, or if you see that I'm available, you're more than welcome to come talk to me. And finally, one of my biggest roles here is just communicating and connecting with students. You don't have to talk to me if you're in trouble, but if you ever just want someone to talk to, we are here to just engage with all of our students and community, connect you guys to the resources that you need, or just to be someone to say hi to. So please don't be scared of saying hi.
Bienvenidos, guerreros.
Welcome to housing.
Welcome Warriors.
Welcome, Warriors. We can't wait to meet you.
Welcome to the village.
Welcome, Warriors.
Welcome Warriors.
Welcome, Warriors!